Hi, Vadim is here, and in this short video I'll show exactly what you need to know to get it done. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me share with you how to use Canva AI effectively to design a poster. Here's the problem. Creating a hiring poster from scratch is slow and intimidating, and most good templates that you see are paid. There are 3 ways of designing and creating products in Canva: your designs, templates, and Canva AI. We'll use Canva AI to create a hiring poster. And here's the prompt we're gonna use. Create a professional hiring poster for content creator role at online training for everyone. Use blue and white colors, modern style, space for all summary, key skills, and application link. And in seconds, Canva AI generated multiple poster options for us. Keep in mind that this is just the starting point. You can ask for more designs, add an image of the person working on the laptop, and use minimal color style. I'm gonna add a person working on the laptop. Isn't it cool? Instead of dragging text boxes and guessing, AI gives us a layout, font choices, and color combinations for a now hiring poster in just a few seconds. This way, you're not stuck staring at a blank canvas. You start with something that already looks like a real hiring ad. Let me share with you how to use Canva AI text tools to draft the content for the poster. Here's the problem. You know you need a hiring poster, but you're not sure how to phrase the role, requirements, and call to action clearly. This is where Canva AI comes in. All you need to do is switch to AI mode to click Canva AI button. Let's try this prompt. Write a short, catchy headline and subheadline for a hiring poster for content creator at online training for everyone. Tone friendly, professional, clear. Target knowledge worker and business professional. Isn't it cool? Let's enhance it now and include additional information. Add a 2-sentence job summary for a content creator role. The candidate will create training content, YouTube scripts, and simple visual to help professionals learn Microsoft Office and productivity tools. And in seconds, we got job summary added. And now it's time to add job requirements. We're looking for strong written communication, experience with Canva or similar design tools, comfortable with video scripts and screen recordings, and person with ability to work independently and meet deadlines. I think we're at the point when we're ready to create an actual poster. Using generated content, create a professional hiring poster. Include an image of the person working on a laptop. And in seconds, you got multiple versions of posters you can start using immediately. Obviously, every poster design is editable, and you can start making changes immediately in the template that you selected for the final work. Here's why AI is helpful in this process. It takes the pressure off writing from scratch. You can generate the first draft of the job summary, key responsibilities and skills, and then just tweak for accuracy. And this way of generating content is perfect for managers who know what they want but struggle to write poster-friendly text. Let me share with you how to animate a hiring poster and export it as professional MP4 for social media. Here's the problem. Static posters are fine for printing an email, but Instagram, YouTube, and other social media platforms favor short, moving videos. Many people assume that they need a separate video editor and end up rebuilding the poster from scratch. But the reality is that there is a coolest animate feature inside Canva. You can animate individual elements in the poster or apply animations to entire poster. And here's the best part. You don't need to learn animation. Just pick the style that matches your brand. Use simple, slick, or corporate for calm and professional look. And you can use fade or rise for clean, modern motion. But the one I like the most are animations that move the picture as well. Let's try photo flow, photo rise, or photo zoom. Isn't it cool what you can accomplish with just one click? And don't worry if your brand is informal. For those, you can use party, neon, tumble, or scrapbook animations. I am going to choose photo flow for this demo and export it as MP4. To export the final version, you can navigate to File Download or just choose Share Download. They bring you to the same place. Here you leave the default option MP4 video, select the quality, and then click Download. And you can upload completed file directly to Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or other platforms as a short video post. And this is how it boosts your productivity. You turn a single hiring poster design into eye-catching animated video with just few clicks, no extra software, and no re-layout. Professional Canva animations like simple, slick, corporate, fade, or rise make the role look serious and modern without distracting gimmicks. And the best thing of all is that one downloaded animated file can be reused on Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, internal screens, and email. You design and animate once and then publish everywhere. And if you want to go deeper on the topic, make sure to watch this video next.